Insecure backup solutions. The COVID-19 pandemic spurred a rapid global shift to remote and hybrid work, increasing the risk of data loss. Studies shows that even the most comprehensive backup solutions cannot recover from ransomware attacks. When a system becomes infected with ransomware, it targets and infects all databases, making backups unusable and unrecoverable. Gartner reports that 30% of critical infrastructure organizations will be affected by a security breach by 2025. The imminent threats to the backup solutions necessitate a dynamic cyber secure backup solution. The X-PHY Cyber Secure SSD is a firmware-based AI-embedded, groundbreaking innovation. It works on the Zero Trust architecture, and offers 24/7 real-time security vigilance against known and unknown cyber and physical attacks on the backup. Its characteristic features of X-PHY stream protection, monitor and secure the inter-module communication against attacks. Furthermore, in the event of a malware or ransomware attack, X-PHY provides backup defense by bringing into action its feature of X-PHY Guard for data lockdown, and X-PHY Factor encryption for password-protected access. Acquire the X-PHY SSD, and provide a holistic cyber-secure solution for your backup. Nimble security, maximum efficiency? The X-PHY